Friends and family. So we're out here another weekend moving in. If you watched the last video, you saw that we have a bear that is or had bedded down about 3 feet behind this shed. I will try to show you that. It's like right back in here, if you can see this area, but you can totally see where it walked through the brush and laid down. So you can't tell right now, but I have had really loud music playing. It's about 6:30 in the morning. It's about 48 degrees. It's supposed to be in the 90s today, but it's gonna be fall. 50 degree temperature swing is typical. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna be moving stuff into here. This little area, I compiled an entire craft room, and I'm gonna make that work in there. And then otherwise we're moving out here. I can't believe it. So at this moment, I'm not really sure what this video will entail. For sure it will entail not encountering a bear if I have anything to do with it, because I'm gonna make a lot of noise. And some of you guys have made a lot of suggestions to deter a bear. She is a sow. She has a brand new baby. We love nature, so we are not going to kill her, shoot her, bait her, poison her. We're not going to do anything. So we moved into her territory. We're going to respect that. We're going to be smarter because we've already made some mistakes. Do not leave any trash out for any reason, which we knew. But we got really busy and we forgot to take the kitchen trash with us that we keep outside in a metal trash can. And so we won't do that again. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope something funny happens today, because usually I hurt myself. My husband's really funny. So hopefully there's something entertaining. But number one, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We really hope that you learned something, even if it's something not to do. So, thank you. Stay tuned.
This is where it walks through. There was some fence right here. So it goes right through there. You see the grass how it's bent down. So.
Oh, wow.
And it cuts up this way, walks through there, goes up that way.
Oh, you can't really see it with the camera, but I don't think you can. But you can totally tell, right? Right in there, it's all laid down.
Yep, that's where it's been.
Right, and where's my finger?
Yeah, it's been laying down right back there.
Oh, that's so scary. Bye, bear. Bye-bye, bear. Go away, bear. Go away. Shoo, shoo. It's just a black bear. They say they're easy to scare. I hope so. I really do. I'll show you what we're doing so far. I got my whole craft room in these shelves behind this lovely curtain. Dwayne is turning the rest into his shop temporarily. That's my old sewing table that will now serve as part of the shop. And we'll get some 12-volt lights in here. We have a kerosene heater temporarily, and we're going to put that caribou wood stove in here. And then we have all this loft space up there. Will be for tools that we don't use very often. Then this loft space. At first we were thinking about putting our seasonal clothes, but we don't want mice in our stuff, so don't put anything you don't want mice getting into. So all of that will go into the steel containers. All right, back to work. Look who's underneath our skillet.
What are you doing? Huh? Don't you go pooping in there. You're gonna get trapped.
Oh my
Get
God.
out of there.
We named this one Squeaker.
Yeah.
It's not even afraid of us, which is kind of scary.
It'll be in the camper before you know it.
Oh man.
All right, Junior. You're gonna have to. You don't want to take a chance.
Up, it took off.
Yeah.
It went up. It went back there.
This is like styrofoam, and that would chew it up.
Okay, back to work. Okay, don't laugh at me. I have a double chin when I'm in this angle. Okay, on a serious note, guess what I figured out how to do? I figured out how to use my phone as a hotspot. Don't laugh at me because this is all new to us. But I learned how to do that. Now I can have my computer on and we can watch Hulu or whatever, Discovery Plus. We can watch internet TV. I'm so happy. And so we have a Wi-Fi booster we set up, which you guys seen on a previous video. If you have not, go back to the beginning. I believe it's our very first video, second video that we posted. We have Starlink satellite that's ordered. It's supposed to be here before the end of the year. So anyway, I'm happy we can watch our favorite show.
We are in the wilderness enjoying city life stuff. Like internet TV.
Yeah, check it out.
And for me, that's unacceptable.
Ta-da! We're watching Survivor. Off of the hotspot.
And having a cold one.
Yay! Good morning, family and friends. It is Sunday. We're still moving, as you can see. Just getting more stuff in there. You guys took something from this video, like the fact that you could do a hotspot with your phone and watch TV. That was the highlight of our weekend. So I hope you stay tuned. I think the next couple of weeks is gonna be stuff like this. Just bringing stuff up, getting ready to move. Our house is supposed to close on the 31st. And then I leave my job on the 3rd. And then hopefully I have another job waiting for me. And so stay tuned. And there goes Squeaker. Say goodbye, Squeaker.